today for the Vpad prize. And yes, guys, I have someone very important today here because we have Mr. Meki Dole today as our guest, and we will talk directly about the price of Vpad. But first of all, guys, check here around. Look the beautiful view of Alanya, the beautiful mountains, the beautiful weather, and of course, guys, we will go directly to the beautiful sea. So wait for a minute, but before that, we will go into our charts and see what went from yesterday on today actually for the VPAD price. Because as you know, yesterday I made a technical analysis about VPAD with the possible potentials if we would break down from the levels where we are right now. So we have a major support level at 47 cents, guys. If we break that down, then unfortunately this doesn't look good for VPAD. But of course, guys, if we could manage above the 64 cents area, then the next target for VPAD, and let's show that here. So let's go into the charts, guys. So here, guys, as you can see, you can actually clearly see we are right now very near the support line of 47 cents. But of course, we could see a very bullish news very soon for VPAD. As you know, we have an upcoming IDO allocation. So for the minute, guys, this is very bullish news for VPAD. So right now it's very important for us that we are managing. If we could have a bullish breakout in the next 48 hours, so in other words, when we could have by Sunday close a bullish breakout above the 64 cents area, guys, then the next target for VPAD will be all the way to 83 cents. And yes, guys, there are very important news to actually conclude. But look here, let's see that, guys. This is very beautiful. It's actually almost near Cleopatra Beach. You're really surrounded by mountains. Maybe you can see it like that. And of course there lots of beautiful places. Look to the beautiful weather. They call that we are right now in the winter, guys, but of course I don't think this is winter. And yes, guys, with my eyes it's actually getting a little bit better. So today we had the first push getting out of it. So normally in the coming few days it should be completely gone. But what's that? I love it, guys. I love it. But so, to understand what is going on with VPAD, guys, we have the free IDO literally in 2 days. So this is actually bullish news because that means there is more people likely to will know about VPAD. And so so that means in the next 48 hours from now, guys, we could have some people, some new, look here. What's that? I love it. I love the view here in Alanya. It's so beautiful, and it's especially with the coastline, or here when you see that houses here. Can you see that? Beautiful. Like it's so relaxing to be here. Yes, we had the last couple of days. There was few days the weather was a little bit less so beautiful, but of course we will get more better weather in the next 2 weeks. Literally, almost the summer will start here in Alanya. Watch that, guys. Like this is just insane, guys. Watch that. Look to that view. It's just how beautiful it actually is. Like you would think like this is like like it's so beautiful. I love it. So relaxation. It's literally giving you the rest, the peace of mind, and especially when you see that there, the tower. It's so beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. But guys, yes, so right now we need to stick above that 47 cents. We cannot get underneath that in order to get a bullish breakout. I think in the next 48 hours we actually will have Vpad will actually eventually so Vpad will eventually be listed soon on new exchanges, but of course with the free IDO allocation there is something to look up for. There's a whole new community that actually will be involved with VLAUNCH, Vpad. They will probably go later after that staking their Vpads because now they will know much more about the project, and of course people will start thinking, oh, how did I miss about Ritestream, why did I miss about Ritestream, why I didn't got any free IDO allocations. So as you know, the next steps will be I needed to buy Vpad, I needed to stake Vpad. Yes guys, and before you know, that's a whole new community getting into Vpad. But for the minute guys, it's so important to watch out for the next two levels. So we have the 64 cents or the 47 cents area. So let's go back in the chart to highlight these two. So we have the 47 cents and the 64 cents. If we could get bullish sentimental in the next 48 hours, so the Sunday close will be so important, because this will determine guys for us where we will go. Will we go up to the 83 cents after we break up the 64 cents? Then we need first to break it. In case we falling below the 47 cents guys, this will be unfortunately bearish, and I don't like to be extremely bearish, but like you know, I said it already multiple times, the strongest resistance, the lowest where it could go, and I hope of course that doesn't happen. I don't think it will, but of course there is the chance guys that it actually could happen at any time guys, and that means when we break the 47 cents, 30 cents is almost inventable to actually be reached. So take care of it. But of course, remember guys, remember Vpad, it just started, it just recently started guys, and like you know guys, when a project just recently started guys, then of course it's most likely that it will be going up much in the future and not really going down. So it's really backed by one of the biggest influencers out there in the crypto space. It's literally the only platform backed influence based guys, the only launchpad in the planet guys backed influence based. So one day you will rewatch this content, and I of course this is all not financial advice, but one day you will hope that it actually was financial advice guys. So just make your own research, and I see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.